Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create logo abstract design in Figma using Rectangle and Radial Repeat, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Draw rectangle with 200 by 500 dimensions. Pull top left and top right corner radius to get full rounded corners. Rotate 45 degrees and minus 45 degrees. Align both the objects and group them. Select object, click on Radial Repeat. Change properties to count equals 4 and gap equals 1.1. Select object. Right-click and flatten them. Now, select object. Right-click and split vector. Select object and go to Fill. Remove Stroke and select each shape, apply color from the swatches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.